Welcome, dear children. Subject Journal Knowledge Standard 5th. Today we will see third chapter, that is abbreviations. Now let's see first what is abbreviation. Now abbreviation is a shortened form of a word. Clear everyone? That is known as your abbreviation. A very big word you are writing in the short form, that is known as your abbreviations. Now let us see the full form of the first word. The first word given is SAARC. Now what is the full form of SAARC? That is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now let's see what is SAARC. SAARC was created in 1985. Clear. SAARC is an economic and geopolitical organization that was established to promote socio-economic development, stability of welfare economics. Understood? Now see, this all are the members of SAARC: India, Bhutan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. These all are the members of SAARC. Clear? And on 3rd April 2007, Afghanistan joined the membership of SAARC. Now let's see the next word, that is UNO. Now let's see the full form of UNO, that is United Nations Organization. Now let's see about UNO. UNO is established in 1945 and 51 nations come together with a common objective of preserving international peace and security. The main goal of UNO is to establish friendly relations between nations and contribute to the community. It's also work for the standard of living and human rights. Now next word is ASEAN. Now let's see the full form of ASEAN. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Now let's see about ASEAN. ASEAN was formed in 1967 by Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand to promote political and economic corporations. Clear, student? Now see, this all are the members of ASEAN. Clear everyone? Now the next word is NATO. What is the full form of NATO? The full form of NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Now let's see about NATO. NATO was founded in 1949 and is a group of 30 countries from Europe and North America that exist to protect the people and territory of its members. Clear? Now next word is OPEC. OPEC, the full form of OPEC is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now let's see about this OPEC. OPEC is an organization of oil producing countries. It looks after the petroleum policies of member countries. It also provides technical assistance and it also focus on setting the oil price on the world market by managing the supply of oil. Means what this organization do? This organization look after our petroleum. Now next word is PTO. Now PTO stands for please turn over. Clear? At the end of our page, when we are writing at the end of our page, we are writing PTO. See, you can see in some of the pages PTO it is written. It means that please turn over. Clear? Now next word we will see, that is PETA. What is the full form of PETA? PETA means People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Now this is the organizations which look after the animals. Clear? PETA is the largest animal rights organization in the world. Clear? PETA operates, and the simple principle of PETA is that animals are not ours to experiment on, eat, wear, use for entertainment. Clear? Now let's see the next word, AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. Now let's see about this AI. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science. This agency helps in building smart machines capable of performing different tasks. Now let's see the next word, that is INSET. The full form of this is Indian National Satellite System. Now what this company do? It is a multi-purpose geostationary satellite launched by ISRO to satisfy the telecommunications, broadcasting, search and rescue operation. Now the next word is LIC. I think everyone knows what is the full form of LIC. That is Life Insurance Corporation of India. So let's see what is LIC. It was established in 1956. LIC is the largest life insurance company in India. It offers various products which includes life insurance policies, savings and investment products. Clear? Now we will see the next word, that is ONGC. The full form of ONGC is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Now let's see about this company. It is an Indian multinational company which is one of the largest producer of oil and natural gas in India. Now next word is LPG. Now let's see the full form of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. Now this gas we are using in our home. Let's see about this. It is a generic name that refers to a group of flammable hydrocarbon gases. Clear? We are using these gases as fuel in our home. Now next word is VAT. Now very important word, VAT. VAT means value added tax. Now let's see about the VAT. VAT is a form of indirect taxes collected by the state government which is imposed only on tangible goods or products. Clear, student? Now next word is CBI. Now many times you have heard this word CBI. So today we will see what is the full form of CBI. That is Central Bureau of Investigation. Now everyone knows what this CBI do. Now the work of CBI is to investigate several economic crimes and special crimes and many more. Clear? Now the next word is CID. Now let's see what is the full form of CID. That is Crime Investigation Department. So students, let's see what CID work for. Now the main task of CID is to investigate criminal cases and they gathers fact evidence for criminal cases and fraud. Thank you.